You are searching one of the easiest way to earn money online? Affiliate marketing is a powerful way to monetize your website and social media profiles. In this video, we will explain everything you need to know about affiliate marketing, including some tips and tricks for success, and some useful apps to get you started. So what is affiliate marketing? Affiliate marketing is a type of performance-based marketing in which a company rewards an affiliate for each customer brought to the company through the affiliate's own marketing efforts. In simple terms, affiliate marketing is when you promote someone else's product and earn a commission for each sale you make. But how does affiliate marketing work? Well, the process of affiliate marketing is relatively simple. As an affiliate marketer, you promote a product or service by including a unique affiliate link in your content. When someone clicks on your affiliate link and makes a purchase, you earn a commission. The commission rate varies from product to product and can range from a few percent to over 50%. Before we get to tips and tricks, make sure to hit that subscribe button and activate the notification bell to stay updated in future developments in terms of financial and technical things. Tips and tricks for success in affiliate marketing. As most of you might know, there isn't the one trick or tip that is making the big change. But, when you combine them, you can make a huge step forward and improve your revenue. The first and most obvious one is to choose the right product. So it's important to choose a product or service that is relevant to your audience and aligns with your niche. Second is to create quality content. Your content should be high quality and informative and should provide value to your audience. This will help build trust with your audience and increase your chances of making a sale. Building an email list can be a great way to keep your audience engaged and build a loyal following. You can use your email list to promote your affiliate products and increase your sales. The most important tip is that you should monitor your results. It's important to track your results and see what's working and what's not. This will help you refine your strategy and optimize your results. But now let's get to some useful apps for affiliate marketing. There are many useful apps and tools that can help you succeed as an affiliate marketer. Here are a few of our favorites. Google Analytics is a free tool that allows you to track your website traffic and see how your audience is interacting with your content. SEMrush is an all-in-one SEO and digital marketing tool that can help you optimize your content for search engines and track your competitors. ClickMeter is a link tracking and management tool that can help you track your affiliate links and see how many clicks and conversions they are generating. In conclusion, affiliate marketing is a great way to earn money online by promoting other people's products and services. By choosing the right products, creating quality content, building an email list, promoting products in multiple ways, and monitoring your results, you can succeed as an affiliate marketer. Use the useful apps we mentioned to optimize your results and take your affiliate marketing to the next level. Thank you for watching, and happy affiliate marketing!